Hello everyone, this is our chicken coop. We have just changed our place of the chicken coop. Actually, we have been experimenting how it actually works. Okay, we have got a lot of wonderful results these days. Uh, Today we have just cleaned our chicken coop and trying to make it favorable for our six. Okay, let's see. You can see here we have got 8 chicks finally out of 10 or 12 eggs. So let's see what happened with them. We are trying to make some kind of innovative videos, and you will get a lot of innovative videos from onwards. And so till then, stay tuned. Thank you.